Don't let the news channels or the news shake your portfolio. You see those big news player like news channels, or the person who sits in the like puts a big suit and sit in front of you whenever you on the TV, and by listening to that one news you go back to your demat account and press that sell button. Please do not shake your portfolio just because of that random news. You have done your ground research when you buy that stock. You know how the business is. Listen to the management, not to the third person who is talking in the news channel. There are some reasons it will work out, but sometimes they have their business to run, like the news channel, they have their businesses to run. So they, for here and there, whatever news comes, they will say, they will put some masalas and they will come and tell you. But you have to believe the management. Wait for their circular when it comes out. Wait for their, like, maybe the management wants to come and talk to the media, like in the news channel they will come and give their, what we say, the clarification, what went wrong, or why that news has popped out, and whether it's true or whether it's true or wrong, like false. So we have to wait for them. Okay, so do not let these news shake your or destroy your portfolio. So see, we are the retail investors and we are the small players, and also the people call our money as dumb money when we compare it with big fund managers, FIIs, etc. So do you know what Peter Lynch says? This dumb money is actually, it's our biggest superpower, or it is called as an ultimate edge. Why? Because that's where we are, what we say, we are blessed, because those big fund managers are answerable to their clients, or they're answerable to their bosses, because they are doing their job, they have to get their salary. But you are the, like, retail investors, and your money is, like they call it as dumb money, but you are the own boss of your money. So why should you fear? Like, why you have to get scared? Because you are at the ground, you can do the research of the business. Because see, these fund managers or the FIIs, they cannot do this research in, like, they are sitting in the Mumbai office or the New York office. They don't know which shop is open in your location and which is trending. Okay, so they do not know. They will only come to know when they see the data for, or the research report, whenever it comes out. But you are in like you are in India, you are buying Indian companies, and you know which mall has opened up, which mall has more footfalls. You understand which car your relatives, friends, or your colony neighbors are buying it, and how much waiting period is waiting, people are waiting for it, or which company's car they are, or the maybe a two wheeler, which brand they are buying. So this all you will do the research. Even the three wheelers, where these people are getting the like electric three wheelers, from which companies they are purchasing, so from where the batteries they are buying from. So you do the ground research. You talk to your auto rickshaw, or you see the auto rickshaws, or two wheeler, three wheelers, from, like, you see their manufacturing, from where they buy it. You do the ground research. You see which shoes you are buying, or your families are buying, or which products are there in your house, which cosmetics or the creams your sisters are purchasing or your brothers are purchasing. So you are in the ground and you can do the research. And also which apps these your younger siblings are obsessed with. And also and maybe like which grocery brand is out of stock in the outlet. So all you are in the ground and you can do the real time research. And by the time the smart money writes reports on all these products, the stock has already doubled. But you were the, like, ultimate crowd first, so you identified that company. If you have opened your eyes properly, you have identified the company and you have invested it and you have got the good return. So this is it. Investing is simple, and we, because of the overall global news, even now think this trumps whatever it's going on. You might miss the train if you are keep panicking each and every time for buying the, maybe you found some good stocks, maybe for example any new age digital platforms, or maybe new AI infrastructure companies, but you are just stuck with the cash in hand and you are not able to buy it because of these global tensions. You might feel like, okay, there might be still bear market yet to come. Yeah, do not take leverage, but whatever cash you have, put, like, you never know what is the bottom, so you can deploy like in the tranches. Okay, not everything in all of a sudden. If you still feel you have doubts, so do like SIPs and invest in. At the end, it's your money. You know how, what capacity you have to digest the losses in the short term. This stock market is only for those who can wait for long term. In short term, these FNO traders or equity, like short term swing traders or momentum people, they come and capture that profits. So if you do not want money for the next 3 5 years, you can still hold for long term. Never come to the stock market because you want money in 3 5 years. Never do that, because because you have urgency of getting that money back. I think you might end up taking like loss of 20 40% too. So what I want to say is, those big managers, like the fund managers, are answerable to their clients, to their bosses, because they might panic because they will lose their job. But you are the boss of your own money. If you know the business is solid, you can just sit quiet, have chai and wait. You don't have to act just because the news was loud. So I already said, the you know the business is solid, you have done the good research. So here, what Peter Lynch logic is simple. If you can explain any of the stock or the business you have purchased to a 10-year-old old boy or girl in 2 minutes, you are ahead of the game. So don't worry about these complex jargons. Trust your eyes, trust what you see in the Indian stock markets every day, and just stay steady. Zyada tension mat lo. So always these basics, whatever the basics fundamentals we know or we understand, whatever we studied, we understand whatever the, like how the investing works, the basics always win. So you don't have to have the complex things to understand or be in the stock market. It's simple. See which builders are buying, which companies steel they are buying, see which generators they are using to do their work in the construction area. You will get which cooler people are buying during this hot season, which refrigerators they are buying, which brand has more of electronics in this era. See for the next 5 10 years which companies can boom. So this is it, simple. Keep it simple. Keep the stock market simple. Don't let the news shake your portfolio. Okay, till then we will see in the next investing mindset lesson. Till then, bye bye.